Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to make this, but they're having a problem centering the item and they don't really understand what they're doing wrong. So I kind of played around with it. He started with a 6-sided polygon. Now, ironically, you're going to mirror it upside down. I think that's the key. Grab that node right there and just go negative. Take it away. Now, you've got to convert it to a curve. And keep in mind, I'm doing this from the center of the page. So now I'm going to grab it with my shape tool, grab all these nodes, and I'm going to go to effects. No, excuse me. I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and corners. And look at that. It's already done it. I'm just cornering 10 inches. Now, the reason we flipped it is so this part would be on top, just making life easier. Now I'm going to take this and go to effect, and I'm going to contour 2 inches, and I get that shape. Now I don't have to break the contour apart to do what we're going to do, because we're going to just put some lines, and I'm going to take my 3-point curve line, and I'm going to go from that node to that node, and then just kind of do whatever you want to here. Now we're in the center of the page, so we can Control D, Alternate C, and rotate that line 120 degrees. This is the only one we need. We don't need to go all the way around. I'm going to set my smart fill. I'm going to move it over there. I'm going to go ahead and, I don't get rid of anything. I nudge it down. Now I'm going to Control D, Alternate C, and rotate it 120 degrees, and then Control D. Tell you what, let's make them all, you know what, I'm going to make it that blue. I made the other one orange. And now we're just going to change the colors of some of them. We're going to keep this one blue, but we're going to grab the top one. While holding down the control button, I'm going to hit my black like 5 times. Now I'm going to grab this one, and I'm going to hit my white and make it lighter than the original. Let's put a black box around it. Object, order, back of page. And there you have it. And you could do a lot more. You know, you could use the interactive fill tool to put darkness in these corners. But I think that looks pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helps him a little bit. Thank you for watching.